Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm here for Zuhr prayer in Masjd al-Nabawi, and it rained late night and early morning, and now they have those mist fan on and it's really cool. We were praying by the fan and then you could literally feel the mist on your face. The weather in Makkah is kind of hot, but over here in Madina, alhamdulillah, it's nice and cool. So it's two different weathers. Look at those beautiful birds. There's so many birds over here trying to come under the umbrella. It's so beautiful. This is gate number 326, and this area that you're looking at, this is the new expansion that they did, and it's part of Masjd al-Nabawi as well. When we came about 2 years ago, there was a construction going on over here, but now alhamdulillah it's completed. So I'm assuming when it's really busy, people also pray over here as well, because on the floor there were signs of small masjids, the way they have it sometime in Masalla to direct you which way is Kaaba. And I just came in this area this morning, and right now it's like after Zuhr time and there are so many pigeons over here. And these are mashallah very friendly pigeons, like the one we saw in Makkah. If you walk toward them, they will not fly away unless you really go very close to them. And I'm assuming these pillars that you're looking at, because there are several of them over here, so I'm assuming what they're going to be doing with that is to build umbrella on it. You see how they have umbrellas over here inside the Masjd al-Nabawi gates. So my guess is that they will also build umbrellas over here, so this will also provide a very good shade for people when they are doing prayer over here. And most likely they will add the fans too, so it's just like you have to wait and see what happens. So inshallah when we come next time, we'll have a better idea whether they're going to have umbrella and fans or probably they're thinking of something else. I don't think it's going to be the floodlights, because they already have the floodlights up here and it's very well lighted. I was just discussing with my husband that in New York they says the Times Square never sleeps, but over here in Saudi Arabia, the Masjid al-Haram in Makkah and Masjid al-Nabawi in Madina, it's always well lighted and people are always here, just like they never sleep. These are the signs that I mentioned earlier, and they have like a picture of like a small masjid to direct you which way you're going to face for the prayer, and it kind of separates the section too. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.